Hello, we will be starting today Loom. We have discussed what is actually is Loom. After the yarn manufacturing process, fabric comes into the weaving, then in warping, warpers beam is created, then siving, then it is further put onto loom where this fabric interlacing is done and weft is inserted so that the fabric is formed on the loom. There are two types, it is reed width and cloth width. Cloth width is the actual width after the crimp, because in this it is a waviness kind of a structure that is formed in all these things during the fabric manufacturing. Cloth width is the actual width. Suppose it is 2 meter, it is reed width, and this actual is cloth width. So reed width is always greater than cloth width due to the crimp or contraction. Suppose what is the difference? The contraction is zero point 0.2, and on the total it is 2 into 100, so 10% contraction. If we talk about crimp, so uncrimped length is suppose 1 meter, and crimped length shrinkage it is zero point 0.9. The crimp percentage you can directly find it out. Now what we have to see, that what suppose the speed is given as 300 rpm, so the speed is taken as 300 picks per minute. So talking about the first question, suppose here cloth width, these are the given parameters. Cloth width 2 meter, weft crimp and bar crimp is 10%, weft and bar count is 20, is any, EPI 25, PPI 20, speed is 300 rpm. So we have to find number of picks per hour. So number of picks per minute is given, the speed is number of picks, because only the picks are inserted in the picks, and already the warp is manufactured and only the weft have to be manufactured. So we can say that number of picks per minute are 300 rpm. 300 picks per minute. We can convert this into per hour basis directly. Now coming to the length of the fabric, the second question. The formula for the length of the fabric is number of picks upon picks per meter. So number of picks per hour is 18,000 upon picks per meter. So picks per inch is 20. So per meter would be multiplied by 39.37. We can find it out, 22.86. Now the weight of the fabric we have to find. We have to individually find the weight of the warp yarn and the weft yarn, and the total weight of the fabric would be the warp weight plus weft weight combined. So here we can see that 25 EPI, then 39.37 will multiply to convert into meter, and then 1.1, and we can 20 is any is given, so we can convert this into gram per meter. We can find out kg. Similarly, for since you have to remember one point, that EPI is for warp and PPI is for weft. So 20 is weft weight. We can find the weight. Total weight we can find it out directly from here. Now, if you have to find the GSM of the fabric, then GSM of the fabric can be founded by weight per unit area. Area you can find out, since the weight, since it is an rectangular shape, then the area would be length into width. Length is how much? 22.86, and width is how much? Cloth width is 2 meters. So we can find the area 45.72. GSM is total weight upon area. So we can find the GSM. So in the similar manner, you have to solve the loom questions. We'll see in the next class what are the different types and the processes ahead.